This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn harmonium at home. First, familiarize yourself with your instrument's components, like the bellows and keys. Next, ensure you maintain a comfortable and correct sitting posture, keeping your back straight. Then, focus on mastering the bellows operation to produce a steady, even sound. This foundational knowledge is crucial for your learning journey. Now, let's move to playing your first notes. Locate the 7 basic notes on the keyboard, starting with C. Begin by practicing the C major scale, playing it slowly both upwards and downwards. Focus on smooth transitions between notes. Regular practice of these scales will build your finger strength and coordination, which are essential for more complex melodies. As you progress, start exploring basic chords. Try playing simple chords such as C major and G major, understanding how different notes combine. Then, practice short, easy melodies, focusing on accuracy and flow. Incorporating a metronome into your practice routine will significantly enhance your rhythmic precision and help you maintain a consistent tempo. This step is vital for musicality. To truly master the harmonium, consistency is key. Aim for a regular practice schedule, even if it's just 15 minutes each day. Utilize the wealth of online tutorials and resources available to expand your repertoire and techniques. Additionally, recording your practice sessions can provide valuable insights, helping you pinpoint areas where you can improve your playing. Keep practicing and enjoy the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.